Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about alcohol. IUPAC rule for alcohol is we have to select longest continuous chain, then give the number to the OH group, indicate the number of OH group and indicate other remaining groups which are attached to the parent chain. For example, propane to OL, in which OH group is attached to second position of propane. And the methods of preparation of alcohol are hydrolysis of alkyl halide, hydration of alkene, reduction of carbonyl compound, hydrolysis of ester, addition of Grignard reagent to carbonyl compounds, fermentation of carbohydrates, and hydroboration oxidation of alkenes. The first method is hydrolysis of alkyl halide. When alkyl halide is treated with aqueous NaOH or KOH, then it gives alcohol. For example, methyl chloride when treated with sodium hydroxide in presence of water, it gives methanol. Next method is hydration of alkene. When alkenes are treated with sulfuric acid, then Markovnikov rule will be followed. According to Markovnikov rule, positive part of the reagent, that is H plus, is goes to the terminal carbon atom to which greatest number of hydrogen atoms are attached, and negative part, that is OSO3H, is add to that carbon atom which contains least number of hydrogen atom, and the addition product will be propyl hydrogen sulfate, which on further hydrolysis gives secondary alcohol. Next method is reduction of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds on reduction gives alcohol. Aldehyde when treated with hydrogen gas in presence of nickel, it gives primary alcohol. Acetaldehyde on reduction gives ethanol, and acetone on reduction in presence of H2 and nickel gives isopropyl alcohol, that is secondary alcohol. Hydrolysis of esters. Esters on alkaline or acidic hydrolysis gives acid and alcohol. Addition of Grignard reagent to carbonyl compounds gives alcohol. When formaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent, it gives primary alcohol. When acetaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent, gives secondary alcohol, and acetone with Grignard reagent gives tertiary alcohol. Formaldehyde when treated with methyl magnesium bromide gives unstable addition product magnesium containing complex, which on acid hydrolysis gives ethanol. Acetaldehyde when treated with methyl magnesium bromide gives magnesium metal containing unstable complex, which on further hydrolysis gives secondary alcohol, that is isopropanol. Acetone when treated with methyl magnesium bromide gives tertiary alcohol, that is tertiary butanol. Next method is fermentation of carbohydrates. Glucose on fermentation in presence of yeast gives ethanol. And last method is hydroboration oxidation of alkene. In this method, when alkenes are treated with diborane, it gives primary alcohol. Propane when react with borane gives tripropyl borane, which on treatment with hydrogen peroxide gives propanol. Now shifting towards chemical properties of alcohol. Reaction with active metal. Alcohol when treated with sodium, potassium or magnesium, it gives its respective alkoxides. For example, methyl alcohol when treated with sodium metal, it gives sodium methoxide. Reaction with phosphorus halides. Alcohols when react with PX3 or PX5, it gives alkyl halide. For example, methyl alcohol when treated with phosphorus trichloride, it gives methyl chloride along with phosphoric acid, while methanol when treated with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives methyl chloride along with POCl3 and HCl. Reaction with thionyl chloride. Alcohol when react with SOCl2 gives alkyl halide. For example, methyl alcohol when treated with thionyl chloride gives methyl chloride. Reaction with hydrogen halide. Methanol when treated with HBr gives methyl bromide. Reaction with nitric acid. Alcohol when react with nitric acid gives nitroalkane. For example, methyl alcohol when treated with nitric acid, that is HNO3, it gives nitromethane, that is CH3NO2. Hydration of alcohol to alkene. Alcohol when react with concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius gives alkene. Ethyl alcohol on treatment with concentrated H2SO4 at 170 degrees Celsius use ethene, while at 140 degrees Celsius alcohol when treatment with sulfuric acid use ether. Here two molecules are involved. When two molecules of ethyl alcohol is treated with H2SO4 at 140 degrees Celsius use diethyl ether. Reaction with carboxylic acid. Alcohol when react with carboxylic acid use ester. It is called as Fischer's ester synthesis. Reaction with acid halide. Alcohols when react with acid halide gives ester. For example, ethyl alcohol when treated with acetyl chloride gives ethyl ethanoate.